Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on Trade Now. And for this video I will be showing you guys this 1 minute Wavetrend strategy that I've been testing out, and I already back tested everything and I'm going to showcase it to you guys today. But before we start this video, hopefully you guys will be able to enjoy, and it really doesn't take a lot for you guys to hit that like button. Really helps me out a lot and lets me know that you guys like these videos, because currently I'm not making anything from these videos right now, so just show your appreciation, really helps me a lot. So let me show you guys the indicators that we'll be using. First up, we'll be using the EMA indicator. So you want to search up EMA, moving average exponential. For this you want to change the EMA to 200. Next up, you want to change the EMA to a white line so that you can change it, make it clearer. And for this is basically to tell us where the direction of this trend is going. So on a 1 minute time frame, there often is a lot of change in momentum, so using the EMA will help us tell us where the price is likely to go. And we always want to trade with the trend, because the trend is our greatest friend. It is the strongest tool in helping us to achieve a higher win rate, and it's what I personally use as well for me to trade. So how are we able to use this EMA? So basically, when price is below this 200 EMA, you know that we're in this downtrend. Like right here, you can see that we have this downtrend from here down to here, and we are still basically in this downtrend right here. The moment it breaks up, you know there is sort of a problem with this trend. And what do I mean by a problem? It basically just means that this trend is weakening. So we can see here we have a clear break above, or the sideways action, basically going up down above the EMA, and here we have a break above the EMA and we are heading in the upwards direction, as you guys can see here. So the next indicator that we'll be using is the Wavetrend indicator. So you want to search Wavetrend, and you want to search this Wavetrend 3D. So you don't want anything else, and you just want to click this, and this is where you get your indicator. And you see this red dots and these green dots, and you basically don't need any of the other signals except for the dots. So let me show you guys firstly how to take long positions and how you're going to take short positions. So for you to take a long position, price must be above the 200 EMA, clearly above. Don't try not to enter on these places where it is only slightly above, or places where it is on the line. Personally, I like it when it's right, it is clearly above it. But obviously you can take this price action as well. And next up, what you want is you want a blue dot for you to go long. So the bigger the blue dot, the better it is. Smaller blue dot, you still can take the signal, but I wouldn't recommend it as much. So you want to look for a big blue dot. So let's look at this big blue dot right here. We have the first big blue dot after a very long time. You can see here there's no big blue dots or small dots. We have price above the 200 EMA, clearly above, and we see this blue dot here, and this is where we want to enter our signal. So this acts something like RSI indicator to tell us when it is oversold or overbought. So you must wait for the blue dot to appear and you enter there. Stop loss, where you want to put it, you want to put it right below the recent swing low, which is right here. You can see this is the recent swing low, and you can aim for 1:1. We can also aim for 1.5:1. So let's look right here. We have the exit right there, and personally I would rather a 1.5:1. And why is that so? Because with a 1.5:1 risk to reward ratio, even with a 50% win rate, you're still profitable. So let's look for another blue dot. Big blue dot. You can see here we have another big blue dot. See, price is clearly above the 200 EMA, and we want to take that position right here where the big blue dot appears. So you want to wait for the candle to close first before you take the position. Stop loss right below the recent swing low, which you can either put it right here or you put it right here where the recent red candle was. Put it right there and you aim for 1.5:1, and there's another win. Here we have another blue dot candle. I'm gonna put it right here. Stop loss right below recent swing low right here, and 1.5:1. But unfortunately we got stopped out right here. So far so good. We have 3 trades taken, we have 2 wins and 1 loss. And it's important to know that losses are part of the game, part of the trading, and you guys must be able to accept the losses. But even though we took this loss, we are up risk reward ratio wise we are up two reward compared to 0, because from this winning trade we have 1.5 our risk. From this trade we lose 1 of our risk, and from this trade we have 1.5 of our risk. So it gives us 2 risk rewards. And what do I mean by that? Let's say we are risking $100 here, we'll be getting 150. Risking $100 here, we'll lose 100. And if we risk 100 here, we get 150. So 150 plus 150 minus 100 from the lost trade, you'll be up $200. So now I'm going to show you guys how to take short positions. So for you to take short positions, it's basically the same thing, but right now you're just going to look for the opposite thing. So you want to wait for price to be below the 200 EMA and price to have a big red dot or small red dots as is fine as well. So let's look for a big red dot. So here we have the big red dot here. So here we have this. I'm going to enter right there. Stop loss you want to put above the recent swing high, which is right here. Aim for 1.5:1. So this will be the recent swing high, where they just made a new high and bounced off, and it's pretty much a perfect exit, because you want to leave some gap between the recent swing high and your stop loss, and this is a clear 1.5:1. Let's look for another big red dot. I'm just going to scan right here. And here we have another big red dot. So we're gonna put it right there. Here you have the big red dot. We're gonna put it right there. Stop loss right above the recent swing high, which can be right here or right here. We'll put it right here for safety measure. You just want to leave some room for it to bounce around. And we're gonna look for 1.5:1, and here we have our 1.5:1. Let's look for one more big trade, and here we have the trade again. You have a big red dot on this area right here. I'm gonna enter right there. Stop loss right above the recent swing high, which is on this wick right here. It's quite bouncy action, and we have now 1.5:1. So very nice trade, and all 3 short positions are wins. Here we have a red signal, but you can see that price is above the 200 EMA, so you want to ignore that signal. So make sure to be able to know which type of signals to take and which type of signals not. But anyways, this video is getting a bit long. We have managed to take 6 trades, and of the 6 trades we managed to win 5, so that is a pretty decent record if you guys ask me. But of course, make sure to check out my copy trade account if you guys want to copy my positions. You guys want to be able to see all my past positions. Lost a lot, win a lot as well, but I'm up 3,000 on this week. So you guys want to copy my trades, just check it out. Check the exchange out, sign up with my link, and if you guys make a deposit of $100 right now, you get an extra 10%. So it's basically free gains right now when you deposit, and yeah, just check it out. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and to check out my other videos as well. So see y'all and goodbye.